Welcome to the Department of Applied Sociology and Social Work.
Welcome to Northeast University, Bangladesh. My warm greetings to you all from the Department of Applied Sociology and Social Work. As Bangladesh economy and societies are experiencing multiple challenges and supports and other services are getting limited. To fill this gap, Northeast University, Bangladesh has introduced the Department of Applied Sociology and Social Work. This subject is introduced very first time among the private universities of Sylhet. The curriculum of Applied Sociology and Social Work is sharply focused to meet the needs of a changing society. We prepare students for an effective and meaningful practice of social justice. This program is designed to provide a demanding and critical understanding of sociological knowledge from a broad interdisciplinary perspective. We are also offering a leading interdisciplinary master's program in development studies. This program is social sciences oriented and multidisciplinary in nature. The program is appropriate for students keen to pursue a career in policy research and in the local and international development organizations. Graduates from this program will be able to conceptualize development problems, design need-oriented projects, negotiate development funds with donors, and manage various projects with confidence. I must welcome everyone to visit Northeast University, Bangladesh. Thank you for your attention.
Northeast University, Bangladesh. Education with innovation.